Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I've been MIA for quite a while. I picked up another job, so I've just been super busy with life and I've been having some eye problems, as you guys know. So I took a little break and I'm back. So today I'm going to jump right into it and I'm going to do a first impressions and review on the Makeup Forever Star Lit Palette. So if you guys want to see what I think about this, then keep on watching. Okay, so to be completely honest with you guys, I opened this up and played with it a little bit yesterday. I started to film a tutorial on it and do a review, and then my eyes got all crazy again and started watering uncontrollably. So I'm gonna start again today. So I already kind of have a little bit of a first impression, but I do want to play with more of the colors. So basically when you open up the package, it comes with this, and it's actually bigger than I thought it would be. And it's kind of like, it feels more heavy and expensive than the cardboard ones usually do. So I like that. You open it up and it looks like this. And just, to be honest, when I saw this, it reminded me of the Urban Decay Naked palettes. Those were the first eyeshadow palettes I ever purchased, so I do have a love for them. However, the quality is really not there, and you can't get a ton of looks out of each of them. But I was pleasantly surprised by this, and the color selection, I really do like it. It also comes with these little cards inside, which I think are like a really good idea, especially if you're a beginner. Basically, there is 3 different look cards, so it shows you the eyeshadow look that you could create. And then you take this template right here and line it up with the palette. Let's see. Line it up with, oh, not that way. Oh my God. Having some problems. So basically you line it up there and it just shows you step by step how you would use the eyeshadows. And I think for a beginner that is like super cool. So props to them for that. However, I did have some problem with a few of the eyeshadow shades. I have not swatched them all and I have not tried them all. So we are going to do that together. I think I will swatch them first and then I will do an eyeshadow look. So I'm not going to get like all fancy and do these perfect swatches that are not really realistic. So I rub my finger in the eyeshadows, and these are the top circular row that I'm doing right here. So this is what they come out as. I only put my finger across once. I didn't want to reapply to build up the color, just so that you guys can kind of see what it looks like. And then here are the rest. Oh, that really didn't turn out very good. Here are the rest of the shades. The first 4, I really like them. Stellar, Light, Moon, and Dust. And I actually also like Shooting. The colors that I had problems with were Dark and Halo, and then Heavenly. So, basically the shadows at the beginning of the palette performed so much better than the ones at the end, in my opinion. And of course I went right for like a deep, dark, dramatic smoky eye, like I always like to. And the pigmentation was not there. Yeah, the shimmers, I don't know, I had a problem with them, but we're gonna give it another go. And every time I give a review and I do an honest review, I get shit on and people get crazy. But to me, the only reason why you would be checking out reviews is to hear the truth. So if you want to hear the truth, then keep watching. If you don't, go watch one of those big YouTubers that say everything's amazing. And keep your mean comments to yourself if you don't like my review. So I am going to put a bunch of powder down because I didn't yesterday, and that was a huge mistake. There was so much fallout, which I mean, whatever, when I do a smoky eye, there's always really fallout, so I'm not too critical of that. I just honestly, it has been so long since I have used an eyeshadow formula that had such poor pigmentation as a few of the shades. Like I don't know. And I'm pretty sure this is my first time ever using Makeup Forever eyeshadows, which is kind of crazy. I am going to do a really sped up version of, that's what you call it, fast forward version. I don't know. I'm going to really take my time and play with all the colors. Okay, guys. For those of you that don't know, my eyelashes have been falling out, so I'm not going to put falsies on, and I'm not going to put a bunch of mascara on. So I'm definitely glad I gave this palette a second chance, because not all the shimmers are terrible. Some are like the worst I've ever used. But I just created this eye look with Meteor, Astral. I used a bit of the color dark right here, but I wasn't filming, I guess, when I did that. And then I used Shooting and Light, actually, and Milky Way. So I used quite a few of the shades. I actually do like this palette. I don't love it. Would I repurchase? Probably not. But will I return? No. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review and tutorial, I guess, whatever you want to call it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked it, give it a like. If you didn't, you guys can still give it a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.